So in this video, I'll talk a little bit more in depth about the Place Facebook ad feature that we've added. So if you click into your account in your farm, you can place it either to the entire farm or a specific demographic. So in this case, I'll do the gold farm. And if I go to my share icon here, I have the Facebook ads section. So you'll see that there's two options. We have the download Facebook audience, which if you're proficient, if you're experienced with placing your own Facebook audience, you can continue to do so. This new feature that we've added is just a simpler way to go in and directly place an ad from your active farm account to your farm. It's just a simplified version. One thing that I want to note is, let me show you. If I click on the Place Facebook ad, I can choose any one of the templates that I have here. If I click on that template, it will allow me to modify the name of the ad, the title, the headline, the description. You can modify all of that. You can also upload your own image. If you have a specific image that you want to use, you can do that, or you can use the template image. We have the display ad, which will be the display URL, which will be the link that will show, the URL that will show on the ad. And then we also have the destination URL, which is where it will go when people click on it. So this by default will add a landing page for you. It's basically a contact form where the users will, or the whoever clicks on it will put in their information. That information will go directly to you, to the email address that is set up with your active farm account. You can also put your own landing page on there. If you have a website and you want to send them to a contact form, you can put that in there. Wherever you want to send them, you can put that in there. If I click preview, you'll see a little preview of what the ad would look like. You'll see the display URL is here. When they click on it, it will send them to the landing page. And you'll also notice that at the very top it says marketplace. So these ads that you place through the Place Facebook ad feature within Active Farm are placed through our business Facebook account. So the ads that you place on here are not directly from your business Facebook account. We do have an option to do that, but it's a separate service. So this way, this allows it to be much more simpler to just place the ad directly from here, kind of modify the look of the ad and everything, and the leads do go directly to your email. Whatever email that you have set up in your account, you receive those leads 100%. So it also allows you to choose the budget, so you can choose how many days you want that ad to run. Depending on how many days you choose, the pricing will change. And you can also choose the start date for that ad. And if we click on choose your audience, you can either choose the audience based off of the current filter. In this case, I chose the gold farm, so that's who will be viewing or who will be seeing this ad. If I uncheck that box, I can also type in a specific city. So if I want to do that by location, I can do that as well. I can choose the age range and the gender. And then lastly, we have the payment screen. Let me click on that custom, the audience filter. Next, we have the payment screen. So this allows me to pay either with credits that I can refill onto here, or I can pay with a credit card. And that's a one-time payment that you can do for that ad. If I go back into the Facebook ad feature, I do have a manage posted Facebook ads here. So when I click that, it shows me any ad that I've posted through Active Farm. I can click on the ad to see what it looks like, to see a preview of that ad. And then I can also see the stats on here. So it shows me view stats, and I can see the stats for that specific ad. Those are updated every 24 hours, so you can go in there and keep track of that. So that's the kind of the description of the Facebook ads that are placed through Active Farm directly. We do have a concierge service. So if I click on the share icon, and this can be done within in this share icon, or if I click inside of the farm, I also have that available. I have the concierge services, and if I click on available services, there is the option in the marketing section. We have the place Facebook ad in your business account. So in this case, we actually go in and set up your personal Facebook business account, set it up for ads. We set up the billing, the audience file, and we design and place your ad for you. As you can see, this is a little bit higher price because it does involve more work to go in and set up all the page for those ads. And one thing to note, this fee is just for setting up the Facebook business account, the setting up the ad, placing the ad, designing the ad. The actual cost of the ad itself, that is aside from the service, that's separate from the service, that goes through Facebook depending on the budget that you set in Facebook. So just wanted to clarify that. But if you do, we do offer both options to either set it up through Active Farm, a much simpler way, or we can actually go in and do it through your own Facebook business account. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer those.